Good morning. It is Tuesday. We got a 4-job schedule today, but it's light. We got a driveway to start it off, then another driveway all the way across town. Then we have a pool cage to do close by, and then we have a mobile home wash to do. So we got a variety of different applications that are going to be getting done today. Sticky Icky will certainly be the star, as always. And congratulations to Jason Garrett, the winner of the 1,000 subscriber drawing. Awesome, brother. Text me your address and stuff, and we'll get that prize out to you. Next drawing will be at 1,500 subscribers. That'll be cool, and it'll take us a while to get to that. So what else can we do? Get after it. Have a great day. All right, here we are, job number 1. Looks like somebody didn't use any SH when they did this job. Whoever did it. Anyway, we're going to put some down and make it all better, right? All right, we'll be right back. Okay, here we are. The job is all set up. The water is run the side of the house, and you always want to keep your hoses out of the work area. Hose management, very important. Okay, the injector's hooked up to the loader. For you guys just now starting, you'll see this on your 4 gallon a minute machine or any other outlet or application. You plug your injector in, okay? Some of you will have a 5 gallon bucket right here, and you can just stick your line down in there. Mine goes over the toolboxes, and you can see it down there dipping down into that end tank. All right, after you're done doing that, I just peeled off 100 foot. That's my shortest length on the front end of this reel here. Backed up by 2 50s and then another 50. So one 100 length, which is most common for most jobs. And driveways, that is. 100 foot usually does the trick. This is a short driveway, so we only needed a 50 for this one. But, like I said, I got 100 on there. All right, now that we're all done, we're going to put a Sticky Icky mixed with some SH, which is chlorine for you guys out there just getting started. SH is like a foreign thing to you. I know it was when I first started. What's SH? It's sodium hydrochloride, that's what it is. Anyway, it's just it's a fancy word to make this easy job seem important, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put the SH down on this, and while you do that, pre-treating is very important because you see these lines. Whoever did this job the last time didn't do that, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that problem. And then if we come back next year, which I'm sure we will, because it's going to be a great looking job, I hope. I'm gonna do the best I can, and then we won't see any lines. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. And it's just that easy, okay? The next step is, you see the water? Anyway, the water's overflowing, so what I'm gonna do is unhook the water, reel the hose back in the water supply line. Then we're gonna do the satisfying rinse with the water that's in the tank. then by that time, it'll be down to where I can travel with the weight out of the tank. All right, get after it! Let's have a look at this puppy. You see, there's not any lines at all. This is a clean job. It came out nice. All you had to do is pre-treat it and got rid of all those stains that were there, and they won't come back. I mean, if you didn't pre-treat it, those same exact lines are going to come back on top of whatever you left. See, you don't see anything from this angle either. All right, everything looks good. And we're rinsing the hose out because there's always SH left in the line. Even though you take your tube out, there's always still a little bit left. Okay, so just always rinse your lines out. It just makes them last a lot longer. There is metal casing in there, just remember that. All right, and hopefully all this helps you guys out. Get after it. All right, here we are, job number 2. It doesn't look that bad. I've been out here before. Looks like they got new screens. Looks good. Looks like my job worked really good the last time. We got some deckage that has to be cleaned. There's some mold on that cool deck, they call it. You guys are up north wondering what's going on with this. We'll have to go ahead and put some sticky icky on there, right? All right, let's go get hooked up. The water's hooked up and on, ready to go. All we gotta do is get after it. All right, what we're gonna do is just SH the outside. You can see some green tint in the screen a little bit over there. That very top right one by the building, and there's green all the way down the inside. So we're gonna hit this outside. It's not bad, but that's how you maintain it. You just keep doing it every year. All right, we're gonna do that first, then we'll go inside. All right, let's get after it. Slight interruption with some ripped screens going on. He said just go ahead and go for it. He's going to replace them after I'm done, so we're covered, right? All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. We got it all trimmed out around the edge. The mold's all gone off everywhere. Screens are all clean, the ones that are good. This is all done in here. All the windows are clean. We just got to rinse this floor out when we're done. All right, let's get the mini Mondu out and let's rock and roll. In other words, get after it. And now it's time for the rinse. All right, let's have a final look. That came out nice. The cage looks good. Everything's clean. Lean and mean. Another job well done by Super Blast. Get after it. One more to go. Mobile home wash. Let's roll. All right, let's have a look. We're at the third job of the day. You can see the shutters are all green and moldy. Down below, this thing just needs to touch up. I do it every year. Just got done putting some bad ass degreaser down on this oil stain. That's a fresh oil stain. So we're gonna try and take care of it. And we gotta do this shed on the side. It's got green mold from the north. I always just splash some stuff on the fence as I'm going. Get this here. Get this shed. Hit this fence a little bit. And this side's never really bad down here. We just got to hit all that. All right. Let's get started. Or shall I say, let's get after it. Let's take a quick look, all right? See all that green up there? I don't see it either. What happened? I don't see it there either. I don't know what's going on around here. But it's looking awful clean, huh? Look at that concrete. I haven't even taken the surface cleaner to it yet. Side of the building's all green free. All right, I got it all done 3/4 of the way down. All this side is done as well. So now I'm just going to go down that far side over there. We're not going to film that. We don't need to see everything, right? Then we'll be back for the you know what, right? The satisfying rinse. That's what. Woohoo! All right. I already rinsed from here to there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the mini Mondu on there and the rest of the satisfying rinse, and we'll be done. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Okay, we're down to 150. Good travel weight for the water. Everything's locked up. Always do a check, okay? I've been getting in the habit of doing this. All the lids are on, okay. Toolbox is closed. The ball valve is on there. Everything is reeled in nice and tight. Everything's good. Okay, let's look at the place. Remember earlier we were here. We had all this green mold all over this place, okay? The concrete came out pretty good. The lady just bought a new car from a mechanic, and what's it do? It leaks oil on there. But I'm gonna be getting this stuff from Canada. It's like an enzyme, it's alive. And it eats concrete oil off of concrete. So we're gonna try it. I had my buddy from Alabama tell me all about the product, so we're gonna give it a whirl. This place is nice and clean. All right. Come down the side here. Looks good. I had to wet down all these bushes here because these are delicate flowers. These are from Hawaii, actually. Pretty cool, huh? Nice sunny day. It's got some more right here. Check it out. Pretty. Only in Florida and Hawaii, buddy. Anyway, I'm Don from Supervised Pressure Washing. All these fiberglass stairs came out nice and new. Everything looks good. All right, that's a wrap. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. We're on our way to 1,500. And I haven't decided what I'm going to give away for the 1,500. The last giveaway was over $100 value, so we'll make it about $150, maybe $200 value. We'll see what happens. All right, let's get after it. Okay, we're right back. Do you see the bee's nest up there? Do you? What bee's nest? I don't see any bee's nest. Do you? Bam! Wash jet 0015, baby. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Don, it wasn't your valves bad, it was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically we should use these valves probably. Or we could.
No,
No.
no.
We should keep them for backup.
Time
They're
and
not
money.
bad.
No, throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-something an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on $1 to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on $1 to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll be in trouble on YouTube.
You gotta put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, everybody. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it!